In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with ConvertKit. This process allows you to seamlessly connect your website with ConvertKit, making it easier to collect and manage your subscribers. Let's dive in and get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to ConvertKit's website. Once there, you'll want to locate the Features section. It might take a moment to find, but keep an eye out for a section labeled Grow. This is the part of the site where you'll find options related to landing pages and forms, essential tools for growing your email list. Next, click on Landing Pages. This will take you to a selection of pre-designed pages you can use to capture emails. These landing pages are useful, but for Wix integration, we need to create a specific form. So look for the option to Create New and then select Form. You'll be prompted to choose a form style. ConvertKit offers several styles, including inline, modal, and slide-in. Choose whichever style you think fits best with your Wix site. Once you've chosen a form style, it's time to customize it. This part is crucial because it allows you to add different fields like name, email, or even a message field if necessary. Personalizing the form to fit your brand and the type of information you want to gather is important. With your form style and customization set, it's time to prepare the form for embedding on your Wix site. ConvertKit provides multiple options to share your form, but for our purposes, you'll want to select HTML embed. This will generate a code that you can use in Wix. Now, head over to your Wix editor. It's time to decide where you want this form to appear. It could be on your blog, a specific landing page, or even the footer of your website. Once you've decided, navigate to that page using the Wix editor. Once you're on the right page, focus on the left toolbar within the Wix editor. Select plus add, then choose Embed, followed by Embed a widget, Custom Embed. This will allow you to create a space on your page where the ConvertKit form will reside. Drag the HTML embed box to your desired location on the page. Once you have it positioned just right, click on Enter Code. Here, you'll paste in the HTML code you got from ConvertKit. After pasting the code, simply click Apply. And there you have it. The form from ConvertKit is now live on your Wix site. You can start collecting emails right away and build your subscriber list. I hope this guide was helpful. Remember, integrating these two powerful platforms can really help streamline your workflow and facilitate growth in your online endeavors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.